Good morning, children. Welcome back to our Google Classroom. We have started our third chapter, Gopal and the Hilsa Fish. Let's recall the points which we have discussed. It is a comic story which is given in the form of a cartoon. The complete story revolves around Gopal and Hilsa Fish. It was the season for Hilsa Fish. Everyone was talking about Hilsa Fish. Even in the court, the courtiers were also talking about Hilsa Fish. So the king got angry and he scolded the courtiers. And then he challenged Gopal to bring a huge Hilsa fish to the court without anyone asking about the Hilsa fish. Gopal accepted the challenge. We have discussed up to this. Let's continue the story. A few days later of the challenge, Gopal's wife got confused because of his strange actions. His face was half shaven. She asked him, "Why is your face half shaven?" He replied, "I'm dressing up to buy a fish." She again asked him, "What's wrong with you? Why are you smearing ashes on your body?" At that time he was smearing. Smearing means sprinkling. So he was sprinkling ashes on his body. He told, "I already told you, I'm dressing up to buy a Hilsa fish." Then Gopal's wife told him, "Please listen to me. You can't go within those torn clothes. What's wrong with you? What are you going to do?" Then Gopal replied, "I'm going to buy a huge Hilsa fish." Then his wife thought that he has gone mad. Why did she think like that? Because of his strange actions. What were the strange actions done by him? His face was half shaven and he sprinkled ashes all over his body, and he wore torn clothes. Whenever his wife asked him, "What are you going to do?" he replied, "I'm going to buy a huge Hilsa fish." So she thought he has gone mad. Gopal bought a huge Hilsa fish and started walking towards the palace according to the challenge. While he was walking to the palace, many of the people saw him. They talked about his strange, funny appearance. That means they were not caring about the Hilsa fish which he was carrying. They noticed only his funny or the comical appearance. Some of them considered him as a madman. One child told that his appearance was comical. Anyway, Gopal reached to the court. Two doorkeepers were standing there. They couldn't recognize Gopal because of his strange appearance. They asked him, "What do you want?" And Gopal replied, "I want to see the king." They didn't allow him to see the king. They replied, "You can't see the king. Get away with you." Will he enter to the court? We can discuss it in the next class. That's all for today. A YouTube URL is attached related to this topic. Watch the video. The notes of this chapter is included. Learn it. A test paper is included. Submit your answers as soon as possible. We can meet in the next class with the continuation of this topic. Thank you.